In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix synchronization error in Google Drive. If your files aren't updating or you're seeing a sync warning, the most common reasons are a spotty connection or running out of storage. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to check both so you can get your files syncing again without guesswork. First, check your internet connection. Sync depends on a stable, active connection, so make sure your device is actually online. Open a web page you don't have cached and see if it loads quickly. If it's slow or keeps timing out, that alone can trigger sync errors. A temporarily weak Wi-Fi signal, a heavily throttled hotspot, or a strict network like a public cafe can all slow Drive's background uploads. If you're using a VPN or firewall profile, be aware that they can delay large file transfers. Give your connection a moment to stabilize or switch to a more reliable network if you can. Once your connection looks good, move on to the next step. Next, go to Google Drive in your web browser. This is the simplest place to inspect your account status. Sign in if you're prompted and wait for the Drive homepage to load completely. If Drive opens and your folders appear, that confirms your account is accessible and the service is up. You don't need to change anything here yet. We're just making sure the account is reachable before we check storage. Now click on storage. You'll find it in the left sidebar of Drive. This view shows how much of your total space is in use across Drive, Photos, and Mail. If you're at or near 100%, that's a direct cause of synchronization errors. New uploads and changes cannot be saved until space is available. Even being very close to the limit can cause intermittent failures, especially with large files. Take a moment to note your usage and which items are taking the most space so you understand what's blocking the sync. If you see that you're out of room, click on Get More Storage. This opens the upgrade options where you can choose a plan that fits your needs. Increasing your storage removes the cap that's preventing files from syncing. After you complete the upgrade, give Drive a moment to update your quota. Refresh the Drive page and keep it open. Syncing should resume automatically as your new space becomes available, and the error should clear on its own. That's it. By confirming your internet connection and then verifying your storage, you address the two biggest causes of Google Drive synchronization errors quickly and confidently.